Hey, renting the Nikon D7500 from SharePal? Smart choice. You will know why. So firstly, what's inside the box? So you get the Nikon D7500 camera body, a high quality kit lens, a battery charger, an SD card and a charging cable. Now creators choose this camera because it captures stunning photos and 4K videos. It also has fast 8 fps burst shooting with 51-point autofocus. It is great for sports, wildlife or action scenes. It is also ideal for outdoor shoots, festivals, travel, street photography, events and celebrations. Not only that, it comes with a pop-up flash which is useful for casual indoor shoots and fill lighting. It also supports built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth which is easy for transferring your files, and it's lightweight, making it a solid companion for travelers. Worried about the product's condition? Relax. Each product undergoes a 12-point quality check before it reaches you. And in case you have setup questions, we include a video guide and our support team is just a call away. But what if it stops working during the render? For that, while you are placing the order, you can opt for CarePal, which is our damage waiver plan. So yeah, the Nikon D7500 from SharePal is your go-to camera for life-size photos, cinematic videos and hassle-free shoots. So rent now with zero deposit, free delivery and our lowest price guarantee.